Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Find My Phone feature on the AMAZFIT Active Max. So first, we need to open up the control center right here. Now look for the phone icon. As you guys can see, it's locating our phone. Now it's vibrating and our phone says that the watch is searching for this phone. So now, what else can we do? We can enable the sounds. And they are working. So these are very, very loud. And that's how you guys can use Find My Phone feature. But remember, it must be within the Bluetooth range. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.